Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I dressed up for the day, went to the library to get some things done, only to realize that today is an American holiday called June 10th or June 10th. And I decided to sit down under this tree and have a little discourse with you about today's development. Today, a short film made by Yirmiyahu Danzig, Israeli Yirmiyahu Danzig, came out. The short film dealt with the question of the Igbo people from a Jewish perspective. And I want to tell you how women are defenders. The Igbo socio-cultural organization that is in charge of relations between the Igbo people and the other arms of Israel, what it feels about the video. By the way, I'm the Secretary General of Omenana Defenders. Omenana Defenders has mandated me to share with you our response. We endorsed the product. We believe that what Danzig has done with his organization is what every arm of Israel should be doing. The Igbos have been doing something similar for hundreds of years. We have been trying to gather the Ashkenazi, the Sephardi, the Mizrahi, the Israelis, the Israelites who were Igbos, who eventually became African Americans, the Israelites who were Igbos, who eventually became Caribbeans, and we are making tentative efforts to get to the Igbo diaspora in Gabon, Sierra Leone, Liberia. We are reaching out to them. So to see Yirmiyahu Danzig present a succinct, balanced view of Igbo history on film made us, I'm referring to men and the defenders, made us happy. And we want to say to him, we are happy with your efforts. Ecumenicism must be a continuous project as far as the people of Israel are concerned. Omenana and Judaism have to work together to put the world in a better place. And this is the summation of what Omenana Defenders feels about the short film that Israeli Yirmiyahu Danzig released today. I will reiterate before I close. The Igbo people have been reaching out for so many years. During Nigeria's First Republic, from 1960 to 1966, the State of Israel and the eastern region of Nigeria, which the Igbos led, had a special relationship. The Israelis in Nigeria were comfortable because of the Igbos. The Igbos dealt with them the way I deal with my siblings. And the Israelis of that period reciprocated. As at my time, you will still see vestiges of what was. One man headed Ohaneze a few years ago, Gary. Immediately he was made the head of Ohaneze, he paid a visit to the Israeli embassy. What did he do? He did what he saw his elders the Right Honorable Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the founding father of Nigeria, the Igbo who founded Nigeria, the Igbo who mentored virtually all who was who in Africa. Gary did what he saw people like that doing. People like Dr. Okpara, the great Dr. Okpara, under whose leadership the eastern region of Nigeria produced the world's fastest growing economy. That was what they were doing. That was what the likes of Gold and Mia were doing. So Gary did it. So what is happening now is not really a new development. It's something that has happened in the past that we are trying to revive. So to see somebody from the Israeli side of the family do what Omenana Defenders has been doing gives us joy, and we want to tell everybody who is involved one way or the other in bringing all the people of Israel together. We want to tell you that you will have our support. You are still going to hear more about a lot of work that is going on. There are people, I can't mention their names now. There is a man, I can't mention his name now because he's modest. When we all see the work he did or he is doing, we would know that the people of Israel should be consoled and comforted. With the work that is going on, the future looks somehow promising. And on this note, I tell you all to have a very beautiful day. Thank you. Dalo Shalom.